Hello, entomologist. I hope you enjoyed today's morning message. I wanted to take this time to tell you about the three main types of bugs. The three main types of bugs are called insects, arachnids, and myriapods. Entomologists looked at how many legs a bug has to determine what type it is. Insects have 6 legs. So if you see a bug that only has 6 legs, you know it's an insect. Arachnids have 8 legs. So when you see a bug and if it has 8 legs, you know it is an arachnid. Now myriapods, they have lots of legs. So if you see a bug that has more than 8 legs, you know it's a myriapod. So as you can see here, a ladybug and an ant, they both have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are examples of insects. A spider has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you know that a spider is an arachnid. Now myriapods have lots of legs, and this little bug here definitely does. I don't even think I can count all of those legs. So classifying bugs can be fun. Can you think of a bug and determine if it is an insect, arachnid, or a myriapod? I hope you keep enjoying the choice boards that are offered in Schoology. Let me slide over to that. So this is this week's choice board. And as you can see, if you didn't already, you can click on this picture here for a video about insects and this picture here for a video about arachnids. I hope you have a great day. Bye!